Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to put sticky notes on your Windows desktop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, come to the bottom of your computer and you can click on search and go and type in sticky notes and go and see if you can see the app here. If you do, you can open it up. If you don't worry, search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Go to the top and then type in sticky notes and you can go and get so you can click on it and you can go and install it, and then what you can do is go and open it up, and here it is. And so to go and get started, what you can do is go and click on the plus in the top left. A sticky note will be created, and what you can then do is go and write what you want on it, and you can then go and place it somewhere on your desktop. And I've got another one here as well, and that's it. And then gonna be there, you can continue using your computer, but they'll stay on your desktop. It's super useful. And even if you then go and close them, for example like this, I'll go and close this window as well. What you can then do is go and open it up again, and what you can then do is double click and they'll go and reopen. It's that simple. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.